Good morning. Good morning. I am feeling good this morning. That's it. I'm just feeling good. Just want to say good morning before I head out to the salon. I will be there for a short time. I have one retightening to do today. I've been on vacation all week and it has been marvelous. Just marvelous. Just having time with family, my husband, just having a good time. And I thank God for that time that we've been able to spend together. And hopefully we will go out to an event today and enjoy ourselves again. But I have these Bantu knots in my hair that I put in last night. And I don't think I'm going to take them out before this afternoon. I may just wear them. I just need to see what they look like with earrings. I have not worn Bantu knots out. And I don't know why my scarf is like, I'm not coming off this morning. So you just might as well just keep going. There it is. And I think that I can pull this off. I think I can pull this off. Probably with a brighter lip. I don't know. Do I have a brighter lip color? Let's see what this looks like. And you guys know I am not a makeup person. Did that make a difference? I don't know. One more thing. Maybe if I try to brighten my cheeks. You guys, you know what? I'm just going. I don't have, makeup and stuff like that. So I'm gonna go with this simple look. I think we'll see. I'm gonna change my earrings. I'll be right back. And this is my look for a few hours. And I'll come back and show you when I take down these Bantu knots. But I'm going to do a 360. Yes. Have a great day. You guys, I could not do the Bantu knots. I couldn't walk out that way. So I decided to just wrap my hair in this white scarf, and I'll wear this for a few hours and then I'll take my knots down. But this is my 360. I feel like I'm going to church and I'm one of these ladies with the big hats. So by the time I got in the car, this is what I had. I changed the way the wrap looked. I just changed the front a bit. And I'm gonna leave it alone. I'll see you later. Again, you got the light in my face, girl. Oh, wow. Oh, I see your eyes.
You look like you are doing cheerleading for sure. Because your hands have not come down. Yes? Okay, thank you. All right. Can I pat your back now? She's like, wait a second. You recording our conversation? You say hi to the camera? Say hi.
If you say hi to this camera, I'm going to drop it.
Say hi.
Hiccups. Huh? Say hi. Where you going? Huh? Oh, nice. Daddy, baby. Yeah. Come here, Joshua. Come on, turn around. Oh, your mouth is red, Joshua J.
I must say,
Your mouth is red, look. Yeah,
with
it's red.
fire truck.
Red fire truck, okay.
Okay, like this. Long W-O-K. Walk. Can you say walk?
W-O-K.
Walk. Okay, now cross it out. You cross the way out. Yeah. Good job, baby. You just had to spray that all in my face. Yeah, our bond is different, girl. Listen, you poop it on me, you sneeze in my face,
Say, Jenny.
and I gotta love you.
Say, Mommy, Jenny putting that on video. Don't tell my secrets.
Right.
You missed it. They getting in the way. Good job. What color is that?
Green.
Okay.
Everybody. Everybody from Well, Genny, do you want to take it?
I can. And Zaxby's.